Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. One of the objectives for this farm is to be able to raise again thousands of chickens. Well, this is not impossible because in the past we used to raise some thousands of chickens, the native chickens. We're going back the track because as we develop another area, we also would like to expand our chicken farming by means of buying more breeders. And this is the content that I'm gonna show you in today's video. We're gonna go to the market and I will meet some of my friends who are also dealing with these chickens, and they are actually dealing with the best breed all over the world, and these are the Siam chickens. We will buy one rooster and one hen in order to further our desire to have a massive production of eggs, and eventually we will incubate that. That's the time that we will start again our native chicken farming. You know, this native chicken farming is not difficult because our native chickens will not normally get the virus. They are so hardy, they could withstand with the kind of weather that we're having here, and they will not easily get sick. And in fact, in my previous experiences, I only feed them with this azola, this water spinach, and this cabbages in the market where we can just, get freely. It proves to me that in raising these native chickens, they can be raised with very less expenses for the food. We are here now at the public market, and you will see this quality chickens that we can buy from here. Whenever I market my chickens, I will just come here and give them some percentage. Look at this. Luano ba ni? Sayam. Yun lang, sayam. Hulma. Hulma? Pwede mixed breed. Ilang kilo? Kasi magdagdag pa ako dalawa. Magdagdag pa ako dalawa. Bye-bye. The market for chicken is actually that easy because you can just dispose it anytime you want. And just bring your chickens here and the people will just come and buy here. So this is a good material also. It weighs more than 2 kilos actually. And we are, I have fans here. And we're looking forward to be able to have more than 10 breeders. And in fact, we already have at least 5 hens that are already beginning to lay their eggs, and we will add some more. So this is it. And they're still looking for another kind of breed. This is a Siam breed but has different strain. So we will add 2 more and then we will release this to the farm. Rasa man?
Wala na iba. Mixed breed yan.
Mixed breed?
European.
Sabong yun dito.
Kunin mo naman yan ng boss.
Ha?
Hindi yun. Nagpakuha ko na sa'yo. Yun. Bata pa yan. Bata pa.
So guys, I will buy this rooster, and this weighs almost 4 kilos. And we're happy to have this kind of breed, and I know that this can produce many. We're looking forward to sell again the produce that we're gonna be able to breed, and we will bring it here and then we will sell it. You know, these are my friends here. As I've told you, we go direct to the market and sell our chickens. And you look at here. Last time we also sold some hundreds of chickens right here, and we were able to raise money out of, you know, chicken farming. It's just that we stopped it because of the problem of our location. But now that we have new location, we will bring back the breeding of these native chickens. And these are my friends. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you there?
How are you? I'm known here because I've been frequently visiting here for the market of our chickens. So last time I sold, now I buy, and we will start again. Pwede man ilapdo sa kuan. Palit ko ani kay pagkaon sa kuan balanggam.
Lawa nga mami Maro, karap naman ito sa nagbayran na siya. Kaya magramo ng kapay. Yes, ini. Iya, berapa ini? Ah? Noy?
Ulang to hikoy. Hey baby. You know, this breed of chicken that we have here are dominantly Siam chickens, and we're crossing this with the black Astrolorp in the future to produce once more the Dexter's World chicken. We already have tried this one, but because of the unexpected event that would come, I'm referring to the taking over of the government to my property, then we stopped the breeding. But we are right back on the track, and I'm so excited about the chicken coop. This is the chicken coop that we intended for our breeders, and our desire here is to free range them, and the chickens will just be allowed to get back or get inside the coop to lay their eggs. And we will also secure them during the night because there are so many predators here. That's why we are trying our best to complete this within this week. And also, I would like to make mention that the market for the native chickens here are actually short. We're short of chickens. In fact, I was told by my friend who owns this big farm of native chickens that he cannot even supply the local market, without mentioning the market also in the other provinces. So this business is actually good. So we are looking forward to be able to produce thousands of chickens. We will use our incubator because this incubator of ours is still good. It's functioning, and in fact we already have hatched many using these incubators. And also we will integrate the incubation of our duck eggs, and many more. So that's gonna be an exciting endeavor that we're gonna do as we go along. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, may we humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading videos regularly. And I would like to see you in my next video. Happy chicken farming only here at Dexter's World!